Who enjoys a messy house? Nope, I don't think anybody does. But who typically has a messy house? Okay, that's me, but not my son and daughter, and they have 2 babies, 3 and under. And one of the helping things that they have is something I'm going to show you right now. These bins right here. Now they fit perfectly in this cubby, but you can have them anywhere that you need them. They have the nice pull-out drawers. They are nice and large, and you can put whatever you need into the bins. You just tell the kids, hey, put all the dinosaurs, put all the race car tracks in here, and then you can just tuck it away, whether it's in a closet, lined up on a floor, or in a wonderful bin like this. They are nice and sturdy, so it fits the heaviest things. Let me get my leg out of the way. The heaviest things that you want to put in here. The kids are able to drag them around by these and easily put them up. This has been one of the lifesavers in this house of keeping things organized, especially right before naps. You can put labels on here if you want the kids to know what's in the bin, but these kids just typically know what goes in there, and they dump out a bin, play with it, then they have to put everything back in the bin before they get the next one out. It works like a charm. So if you're in need of some organization so you don't have such a messy house, this would definitely be something that I would choose.